Hey, hey, hey! To every, oh Lord, good day to everyone, and to everyone a good day. Today is Monday, Shunday, fun day, okay? And who done got up and at the gym is me. It's been a little while since I've been off in here. I'm finna get back in the groove of doing how I do what I do. I was on a good roll, good pace. But I'm just finna get back in this thing. Going to the gym. I'm just gonna have to just keep it at a bare minimum. Stick to just to the gym. Because, you know, the gym, grocery store, those are already like hot spots when it comes to, you know, social distancing and all that stuff. Those are already hot spots. So, you know, so me going around people, family and all that stuff, I'm just going to have to tell them no right now. But I'm just going to just keep it at a bare minimum. But I never have been big on getting out, going too much when it comes to the wintertime anyway. So I'm just gonna keep things on, keep doing what I'm doing, and just moving at the pace I'm moving at until it's B-Day time. B-Day time, you know. I mean, I'm just gonna have to make it do what it do. But that's not until January, okay? It'll be 2021. We're going to do a redo of 2021, okay? Because I'm so supposed to be living my very, very, very best life right now. I was on my way, trying to tell you I was on my way, but you know, like I said, we're gonna do a redo. 2021 gonna be, if 2020 was just set up for 2021, okay? I feel like all this quarantine stuff, this was a good time for people to just detox all the way around, sit back, evaluate, look at your life, look at everything around you, what need to go, what need to stay, okay? Today, but I'm finna get off in here. I said I wasn't really just wanting to be big on recording off inside the gym as far as with, because I'm gonna have my gloves on. Got my mask, got my gloves, of course. I'm going to do that. But they're pretty good at having the spray and all that stuff for you to, you know, wipe the machine down before you get on it, wipe it down when you get off. That's what I do. I wipe it down every time. They're pretty good at that, but I don't know. I was kind of iffy about taking my phone in there, tackling this phone around, knowing, you know, like this phone. I pretty much have people on speaker though, but I'm just saying the phone is something that you have to your face or whatever. The phone is something that I handle all the time, that I have all the time. So I said I was just not going to be just doing all that off inside the gym. I just wasn't going to be doing that with the phone, but I'm just going to get off inside the gym, and I just have to just afterwards come back. I need to start working out more at the house. That's what I need to start doing anyway. Coming to the gym a couple times a week. I need to just I really do hope and pray. I'm gonna call them. The program that I'm in, when we go work out in the gym, I mean, we don't be up on each other anyway. We never have been just on each other. We used to be in the gym. I really enjoyed that. So I hope that they just get around to just picking back up, opening back up, and letting us come back in the gym and work out at least. I'm going to call them and see what they say. But I'm going to go off in here, though, get this in. I'm just probably going to get on the treadmill. I need to do some weights. That's what I really need to do. But I don't know. I'm just going to get on the treadmill. I'm just going to do that. Work out at the house is, like I said, what I need to really just start doing. But yeah. Hey. I'm back at the house already. I done had a good workout. I normally like to stay 30 minutes, no more than 45 tops. But I was like in there for about like an hour. Looked at the clock. I was like, it is time to go. Because I don't want to overdo myself. I was trying to get on different machines, honey, but I was trying to try different machines, get on something different, but that was not working for me right now. So I'm just going to stick to what I know. I can build myself up to that later. Just going to stick to what I know. I done a little bit of the weights. Build up the arm strength. I was on the treadmill. I done good on there, and it was a good workout. Had a good workout, then went right to KFC. That's terrible, but I'm gonna do better. But yeah, got the workout in. Really, I was trying to go see if KFC still had the chicken and waffles, but they don't have it no more. I would go to IHOP, but they don't do their crispy chicken that they used to do no more. But anyway, stopped and got something to eat. I was going to run a couple of more errands, but I threw my mask away that I wore inside of the gym. I threw it away when I went outside. So, but I'm going to make sure I put one back in my car so I can have it. And that will be that. But yeah, I got the workout in, made it back home, jumped in the shower, and I'm out. I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the day. But I got myself up, got out, went to the gym, and I'm going to have to I don't know what I did with my gym, my key card. I don't know what I did with the one that I did have. And they're talking about because of what's going on, this stuff that's going on, they less contact the better, I guess. So they're not giving out any new ones. I have to just download the app on my phone and they can scan me in every time I go. So I'm just going to have to just take my phone in there after all, and I can just go ahead and just, bam, just vlog, because I'm going to have my phone in there anyway. That is that. So, I don't know what I did with the one I did have. And I don't know if they can probably just send me one in the mail, but oh well. Workout is going to get done regardless, but good day to everyone. I hope your day started off great. And if your day did not start off great, it's not too late to make it great. Okay.